Speaking of foldable phones, though, TCL, they're experimenting with a foldable and rollable phone. So both, not just foldable, not just a rolling screen, but both. And essentially with these sketches, there's been sketches that we're seeing that essentially shows that the phone opens up and then it could roll to expand from just like a normal size phone into a fairly large tablet. And they're expected to show these like this device off at an event in mid-April 2021. And at the same time, they're expected to unveil its 20 series phones that it teased during a press conference back in January. This phone, the phones that they are expected to release are supposed to be in that mid-range price range and gives you another like inexpensive option. Really what they're trying to do is with this foldable and rollable phone and all the phones that TCL is doing, they're trying to like piggyback off of their success with the TCL Roku and their TVs. That's what they're trying to do, because they previously have sold phones under the BlackBerry name. They've sold other low-end phones under other brand names, but now they're trying to use the TCL brand name, trying to see if their success in the TV space will translate over to the phone space. And with this foldable and rollable phone, that could be a pretty big deal, because if a lot of people like to have the larger phones, but at some point it gets to be too big where you can't really fit in your pocket. It's not functional. So if you could have one that folds and rolls, it can go from just a regular size phone into a large tablet by combining both of those different features. That would be pretty cool. We don't have any pictures of it yet, but we do have the sketches that have been leaked. These are just the sketches. Currently, Samsung's cheapest foldable phone is $1,380, the Galaxy Z Flip, and they have ones that go all the way up to $2,000, but no one has a phone that rolls and folds, which can make it much smaller, and it can make it much larger than all the other phones out there.